Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll teach you how to log in Skype account on your desktop. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and do not forget to subscribe our channel by hitting the subscribe button and also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss any update from us. In order to log in Skype account on your desktop, make sure you already have one account. Now open the Skype. Click sign in or create button. You can sign in or log in your account by phone number or email. Now click next button. After that, you need to enter your password. Type in your password. Now you can set up your profile. If you want to skip this process, then click the skip button which is on the top corner of your right hand side. And if you want to continue this process, then tap continue button which is at the end of the page. You can test your audio as well and then click continue. Here you can check your camera as well. After that, click continue and then click OK button. So this is how your Skype account looks like. Now you can easily use this app. So this is how you can quickly log in Skype account on your desktop. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up. If you have any feedbacks or comments, you can comment down in the comment section below. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.